How if you hungry me a read peanut? People look on a peanut me have pan the ground. People me pick up me peanut and me a drink a dragon on the side same way. People look enough money me have. People me a person called nasty stinking blood clot girl from Abraham and raper girl. Abraham Bongo and one girl in a Abraham raper. When me say raper, everybody know who is the raper. More or less before me talk that party of first people. Dirty girl. Your mama job to spring bed. But take your mama off spring bed, your mama decent bed. Cross the blood clot. Gully! Dirty girl. 5 brother never fuck on a hill dog girl yet. Dirty girl when I walk and scrape at. 5 brother fuck you nasty rotten pussy girl. And you settle with one. My cousin tell me say go down now one jump on the water and your hole. If you hold it good, in that settle. But your hole not good, you drive him down to kill him. Nasty girl. A man when you rape and never feel man that it female blood clot man. So your life happy tormented because you know say man never feel. A man that it female. Dirty raper girl, then go up a clinic free. Go fix your blood clot rotten teeth in your mouth. Dirty girl. Your fast is that you put your head stinking pussy girl.
Carrot.
You know sister we large. We go Iva catches go pull carrot. Follow my sister go Iva catches. And the man say fuck you for 30 pound a carrot. And 30 pound a carrot is not even nothing for $2,000. You bitch you. You never know say man that talk your business. Nasty girl, the man say fuck you for 30 pound a carrot to look a bitch. You see where me you call it 110? My man drive a 110 or 111. I don't think you're a fuck where you want to be. If you want me hate you, me tell you man forget the 110 out of me. If you want me hate you, me tell you 110 because you drive a 110. You look a bitch you.
Data.
Yeah, your daughter take you see a man. Yeah, your daughter like I know no daughter. Nasty girl, your daughter like you see a man. The boy come from here man. And breed your daughter and let you get a blood clot son.
Rape
you fucking rape your daughter like you one man. You fucking bitch. You close it at this. Abraham head raper.